Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change SIM card PIN code on this device. Firstly, open settings, then scroll down and find here passwords and security, then choose manage passwords. System security, and here choose SIM card lock. And now you need to enable SIM card lock. Firstly, you need to type your old PIN code, then click change SIM PIN, enter old PIN code, and now create new PIN code. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.